Let's do a mini Sephora haul. The emphasis on the minis. If you know me, you know I love my minis. I love to keep a mini on me. I love to just throw it in my bag and go. I love to be on go. I love spontaneous trips. I love to be on go. I'm ready 30 minutes. Well, I'm ready 2.5 hours. Boom. Packed, ready to go. Out. I literally did a whole haul of like my favorite minis or new minis that I'm ready to try because I love minis. This is a mini Polish Choice exfoliate. I always talk about this. One of my favorite skincare steps. My favorite concealer of all time. It took me a minute to get complexion right, and I found me a tried and true product. I don't think I'm gonna ever let up on her. It's gonna be hard for me to get a new concealer. It's the Radiant Creamy Concealer in medium dark 1.5 Sucre Douche, or I don't know. Got the One Size waterproof mattifying setting spray. So excited to try it. I'm so excited. I've heard so many good things about it, and I was finally able to get my hands on it, so I'm excited to try it. They know what they're doing. They know what they're doing by putting all those minis in the section while you're waiting to check out, because they had this. I'm so excited to use this One Size setting powder. I've been needing a new setting powder because my Huda one is a lot of flashback. It might be because it's expired, but I'm just gonna blame the powder and not me, because then that's easier. Listen, this is the One Size Ultimate Setting Powder in Sweet Honey. Listen. This was the last one of this shade, which is my shade, which is going to be perfect for me. So excited to try it because it said it's anti-flashback. So that's what I'm looking for in a setting powder. So I'm excited. But yeah, it was the last one. And whenever it's the last one, I feel like it's God telling me this is for you. I set that there for you. And I'm like, oh, thanks. Snatch. This isn't a mini, but it's my first piece of the Nessa Merrick's makeup. I'm so excited. Or Nessa Merrick's, I believe. So under one of my older videos, someone actually commented that I should try orange blush, and I was like, yeah, sure. I've never tried orange blush. Sure, let me try it. Little did I know it was low-key a microaggression, because it was a video of me doing pink blush. Black women can wear pink blush, PSA, in case you didn't know. But I did end up snagging this. It's her Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder Flush, the shade Golden Hour. And it's gorgeous, and it's orange, and it's like cream, just like my favorite LYS ones. And then it dries down to a powder. So I'm so excited to use this. If I'm going to use an orange blush, of course I'm going to get it from a Black-owned business. Duh. Oh my gosh, I'm fangirling because the color was gorgeous in the store. It was gorgeous. But I'm not giving up on my pink blush. Black women can wear pink blush. Anyway, so I knew I was coming in to get that blush color. I didn't know I was coming in to get this one. So I knew I wanted to get a contour stick, and I've been looking at the Makeup by Mario ones for a while. So I ended up getting this duo set minis. It's the shade Dark, which is perfect for me. And then I was looking at this blush, but I was like, nope, we're gonna be good. We came in here for an orange one, but it ended up being in a set with it. So I was like, look at God. Get this shade for yourself. And I got it, and it's the shade Raspberry. And I'm so excited to practice contouring again, because at first I was like, what's the difference when I do it? But I was like, let's try again. Let's see if we can find a difference. Let's see if we can make a difference. I'm so excited. I also got a mini Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base. This is the moisturizer and primer I used a lot when I was first getting into makeup, because I had a little sample that I used to stretch. I thought they didn't have any more at first, but there was one more left in the line, and I got the Youth to the People Superfood Cleanser. This is literally my favorite cleanser of all time right now. It's so nice. It's so nice. It has my skin so clear. A lot of these things that I got, there was like one more left. It's a sign from God. I love this cleanser. Y'all know I love my toner, but I had to get her a bestie. I decided to get the Niacinamide Dewdrops this time, and I want to try them together again, because at first I was just using the toner. I'm like, you know what, let's spice it up. Let's add a little extra, little oomph. You know what I'm saying? That's my favorite. I got this Fenty Skin sunscreen, Hydrovisor sunscreen. I love how it feels. I love how it makes my skin feels, and I love that it has sunscreen in it already, so I don't have to do moisturizer and sunscreen, because I usually forget my sunscreen. I'm trying to be good on remembering my sunscreen. And it's the mini one, so I can just keep it in my purse and reapply it throughout the day. Yeah. Finally decided it's time to try a new foundation. Makeup artist suggested I get this. It's the Giorgio Armani. Oh my God. It's the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Flawless Foundation. I got the shade 8.75. I'm excited to try this. I haven't used a new foundation in a minute, you know, my NARS one. But I was like, let's try something new. So that's all I purchased, but I also received this as a gift. It's the Miss Dior, like the little rollerball perfume. It's my first rollerball perfume, so I can just keep this one in my purse. Super grateful for everything I got. That was all of my things. When it's great makeup and skincare, it's worth it to me. I'm willing to invest in care and makeup and things I love. I'm willing to drop a dime for it. I'm willing to drop a dime for the shit I love. You know what I'm saying? So I'm so excited to use all these products, and I'm so excited to create content showing them too. So let's get into it. Let's see what we make this year. I'm excited to make this year a good one. So yeah, let's go. I'm probably most excited to try the blush. Oh my god, this is I'm so excited to try out this new foundation. It looked really nice in the mirror. So excited to try this color raspberry. So excited to try this powder. This year is going to be a glamorous year. We're not doing just minimal. We're going back to maximal, okay? Now you either on the train or you off. Cause we already moving, baby.